What is up, guys? It is Fishcraft here, back here with another video. And in this video, we are unboxing the Lucky Tackle Box multi-species box. I recently changed my subscription to them. I used to have the Bass XL, but that wasn't really working too much on my channel. So I decided to switch it up since I already have a Bass box for MTB. So first thing we get, boom, LTB sticker. Save $8 on stuff on all orders off of Lucky Tackle Box, the store. And then we have this card, blah blah, and then we got this battle box. Ooh, that actually looks cool. Sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. So there you guys go. And then Watch Gang, it's called. A lot of advertisements in this month's box. Got the magazine, Fish Hound magazine. There you guys go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Where is the card? I just had it. There it is. Okay. Alright, so the first thing that we have is a Bagley, where's the bait? Bagley Pro Sunny B, retails for $12.99. Pretty sure I just got one of the baits in the mystery tackle box. Pretty sure it was a lot cheaper than $12.99. So, there you guys go. Nice wake bait. There you guys go. Put that back in the wrapper or box that was in. Okay, packaging. Alright. Let's open this jerkbait. Keep on losing the card. There it is. Alright. We got a Lucky Craft, right? No. Castaic BD115, retails for $6.99. It's actually a pretty cheap jerkbait, so I definitely go check them out. You guys can see there's actually a bit of a paint scrape on there, but there you guys go, 3 hooks. So hopefully I won't get hooked like John B did. If you guys remember that video, there you guys go. Definitely good for bass, smallmouth. Maybe even pike. Put that back in the packaging, and then we got a 6 cents crankbait. Probably use this for walleye or something. $8.99. Probably for walleye, maybe for bass, but probably used for walleye. Shallow walleye. Little crankbait there. This might be Bass XL. Because, my subscription did not change. This is actually Bass XL. Really sorry about that. Sorry for the confusion. So my subscription did not change. Okay. Next thing that we have is a Duo International Popper Pencil 1110, retails for $13.99, so very expensive bait. There we go. White spook type bait. Very cool. I don't know if it's one of those crankbaits that makes the noise or whatever, but for me it doesn't really matter. Alright. Next thing that we have is some Zoom Finesse ZRVs, and I actually, surprisingly, I got the jig heads for these in the last box, so that's really funny. I can pair it up. I'm actually, for this Thanksgiving, I'm going on a trip to Tennessee. Gonna catch some huge bass down there. The smallest bass we've ever caught there was 3 pounds, so biggest was around 6. So got the Finesse TRD. You guys probably seen these a lot. Just green pumpkin. I'm not gonna show it. 2.75-inch, and retails for $3.99. So the last thing that we have are some wacky worms made by Bass Attacker. It's called the Attacker Stick. Retails for $4.99, and doesn't say what the color is, but I really like the simple packaging. You gotta know, like, really wacky information on it. Ooh, man, these feel awesome. They're really soft and, like, pretty stretchy. Weird color. It's like gold, blue, red flake in it. There you guys go. Definitely gonna probably be a nice wacky worm. Looks like it can last up to a few fish, so probably definitely more than the Senko. Oh, that's not the last thing. I forgot. We have some hooks. These are VMC, the new for 2017. Ike's approved weedless Nico hook, $3.99. Guessing you would rig this up with the wacky worm. There you guys go. And yeah, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.